Being black in America, it just means being beautiful, embracing oneself, loving oneself, and just being true to yourself.
It means being able to overcome adversity.
Holding yourself at a higher standard. We are a part of a minority group in the United States of America. That means we have to work harder, fight harder, and actually hold ourselves at a higher standard and treat ourselves with respect in order to move forward.
It's like a famous quote goes, is being a spectator at your own lynching. Not to say that it's all negative, but honestly, being black in America, you have to locate a pride within yourself that stems from struggle. And that pride can then lead to power, which can then lead to revolution.
I think it's time for us as a country to unite and stop talking about black America and white America and become an American, a country of one.
It kind of started bending a little bit, and then it would just move back and it went over more towards our neighbor's house.
Oh, it was so scary. It was like the scariest thing ever.
I don't think we've ever seen a wildfire season like this, even, going back into the 80s, and we had some substantial fires, but 3.5 million acres, Michael, have now been destroyed since we first declared a statewide disaster in December.
I just thought I had a few weeks left. But I was surprisingly at ease. I've had a wonderful life. I've had thousands of friends, and I've had an exciting and adventurous and gratifying existence. So I was surprisingly at ease, much more so than my wife was. But now I feel, that it's in the hands of God, whom I worship. And I'll be prepared for anything that comes.